If you want to hide the name of a folder without changing it, you can create a blank space as the name of the folder. Here's how to do it on different platforms. Right-click on an empty space in the location and select New from the context menu. Select Folder from the submenu. Press and hold the Alt key, then type 0160 on the numeric keypad. Release the Alt key and press Enter to save the new name. The folder will now have a blank space as its name. Right-click the folder and select Properties. And select Customize tab. Go to the Change icon. And we're going to find a blank icon, which is right here, and click OK and apply OK. Thank you for watching this video. If you helpful this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.